To fix the error that an email cannot be used for Cash App, try the following methods. If you're encountering this error, it may be due to several reasons. Firstly, the email may already be associated with another account, as each email address can only be linked to a single Cash App account. In this case, you need to use a different email address. Secondly, the email address may be invalid or inactive, so ensure that it is valid, correctly spelled, and capable of receiving new emails. An inactive or misspelled email can cause these issues. Additionally, some email domains may not be accepted by Cash App, so it's advisable to use common email providers like Gmail or Yahoo. To resolve this issue, start by verifying your email status to check that the email address is active and can receive emails. If the problem persists, try using a different email address as an alternative. If you're still unable to link your email, contact Cash App support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error and successfully use your email with Cash App.